This type of dispute often involves a spouse or other authorized user who is not contractually liable for a debt. Other times, the consumer may have been the victim of identity theft. According to credit reporting industry statistics, these ownership disputes are among the most common, as the bureaus use the dispute code. Consumer states account is not his/hers over 30% of the time. Any error sent by the furnisher in its computer file automatically appears in the consumer's credit report, even if the information patently contradicts information appearing in other parts of the credit report. The national credit bureaus unfortunately fail to exercise virtually any quality control over the information initially provided to them by furnishers. The credit bureaus blindly rely on furnishers and provide no oversight of the quality of the information being reported. This unquestioning acceptance and republication of furnisher information invites abuse. This is especially true when it comes to debt collectors and debt buyers, who present their own special types of errors. Re-aging of obsolete debts. A type of abuse by debt collectors that results in inaccurate reporting is the re-aging of obsolete debts. The FCRA requires most consumer debts to be deleted from a credit report after 7 years from the date of charge-off or 180 days after the delinquency. Re-aging occurs when debt buyers purposefully misrepresent the critical date of delinquency, which is the trigger date from which the 7 years is counted. Debt buyers report a date of delinquency that falls within the 7-year period, thus resurrecting long dormant and nearly worthless debts with the simple act of false credit reporting. This problem has grown particularly prevalent and profitable in recent years with the emergence of a multi-billion-dollar distressed debt industry that buys, sells, and rebuys large portfolios of defaulted and time-barred debt for pennies on the dollar and then duns vulnerable consumers for inflated sums. In 2000, the FTC imposed a $2 million civil penalty against one debt buyer, Performance Capital Management, for repeated instances of re-aging debts as well as conducting inadequate perfunctory investigations. The credit bureaus play a role in re-aging abuse as well, failing to control properly for debt buyers who are effectively gaming their systems. The Seventh Circuit expressed its concern over Equifax's procedures concerning the date of last activity, field, which is the date used by Equifax to calculate the 7-year expiration period. The Seventh Circuit noted that Equifax's procedures for this date field could effectively allow Equifax the opportunity to keep delinquent accounts in the credit file past the 7.5-year limitation of the FCRA.